Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how to check your subscriptions on your iPhone, because sometimes we are unaware about your active subscriptions on your Apple ID, right? So in this video I will show you how you can check your active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. So let's start the video. First of all, do one thing, go ahead and open your setting applications. Open settings and here go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Open the profile and below there is an option called subscriptions. Okay, just go ahead and tap on that, and immediately the next screen will be showing you all your subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Here you will find both active as well as your inactive subscriptions. So as per your own convenience, go ahead, check the list. Okay, so guys, that's it, how to check it. I hope you found the video helpful, and if yes, then I request you please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.